Howdy folks, this is Jordan and Kyle Butler with Galati Yacht Sales. Today we're going to give you a quick run through of the 2001 45 Cabo Royalties. Okay, to start the tour we're going to begin in the cockpit. As you can see on this boat you have the in-deck fish boxes on both your port and starboard sides. You also have a large transom live well here that you can double as a kill box as well. Here is the lazarette access, and as you'll see you also have storage for your air tanks for diving and whatever else. Moving over, you'll see there's also gunnel storage on both the port and starboard sides. Storing gaffs, brushes, cleaning supplies, ropes, whatever you want. Moving forward of the cockpit, you'll also notice that there's a built-in bait freezer as well as a bait prep station here. You have lower tackle storage drawers, and then also the engine room access. Over here to starboard, you also have another little prep station, as well as additional storage space. Okay folks, moving on from the cockpit, we're now in the command deck area. As you can see, there's ample seating throughout, nice L-shaped seating to the port side, and also non-skid flooring. You also have a STID captain's chair as well as a STID companion chair. Another really cool feature about this boat is the centerline helm pod with single lever controls. You'll also notice that it has Furuno NavNet electronics throughout. Moving over here to port, beneath the U-shaped seating, you'll see that there's plenty of storage. And then moving over to starboard, you have additional storage as well as multiple tackle drawers. Also, another cool feature of this boat is the centerline overhead mounted teaser reels, Maya Epic CX6s. Moving on from the command deck, we're going to step down into the salon area and take a look. As you enter the salon area on this 45 Cabo, you'll notice how spacious it is. It has a nice U-shaped lounge area with storage below, as well as teak and holly flooring throughout with a custom carpet runner. Another cool feature of this boat, behind the entertainment center here, are your water maker controls. Very nice use of space. Moving aft of the salon, you'll see your main system's breaker panel. Moving starboard, you'll notice the nice size galley with electric 2-burner stove, as well as a deep freeze chest. Under-counter refrigerator and freezer, as well as your microwave convection oven and ample cabinet storage throughout. Moving forward from the galley, we'll move into the master stateroom. You'll notice the nice queen-size island berth, as well as port and starboard hanging lockers, as well as port and starboard overhead storage compartments also. Moving on from the master stateroom, we'll enter the head compartment, a nice sized vanity shower stall, as well as a vacuum flush head. Here we are in the engine room on the 45 Cabo Royalties. As you can see, she's powered by twin MAN 800 horsepower diesel engines. Each of these engines have had their 3,000 hour services here recently, probably about a month ago, so she's standing tall and ready to fish. The boat is also equipped with a 15 kW Westerbeek generator as well. If you would like a more in-depth look of the engine room, please give us a call and we'll set something up.